Right, welcome back to another quick update. What I've done here is I've set up my secondary tank over here. This is a Series 1 tank, and the beauty about it is because it's got the filler on the top here, I don't have to worry about having to drill another filler neck on the side of the tub, so it works in quite well. So I've got that connected. I don't obviously have the sender unit connected, but that's okay. At the moment it'll do. And what I've done here is I've run a pipe all the way through here, and under here there's a just a standard 12-volt pump. I'll see if I can. And then that runs underneath and it runs into this T section. And there is a reason why I got a T section, but it effectively runs back into the tank feed. And this other line here is the one that runs from the injectors back into the tank. So that's why I have this TP section there. So what I did was I cut the original lines, had no other choice, and then I joined them up with fuel lines on the T section. And it's the same with the one down here. I don't know if we'll be able to see it or not. Oh, this one here actually goes straight to the pump, but this one here obviously has been cut as well, and then that feeds to the pump. So that kind of works really well. And in terms of power, I've routed the power all the way through, and it comes to this switch here. And I've put this switch over here is because I don't want to be drilling any more holes on the original dash, and so basically that'll be the on and off position. And it's just a matter of me remembering. I'm actually thinking about maybe putting a light here or something, but anyway, it works. So if I turn that on, you can hear that working. So yeah, it's obviously not going to be a quick transfer between that tank and this one. So it'll be one of those things that as I'm driving along and I'm noticing that the main tank is starting to become, fairly low, then I'll just turn that on while I'm still driving and let that one fill up, and then keep an eye on the fuel level on this tank. Now, yeah, it's just a transfer tank. I was going to go with another setup where I was going to have the tap and everything else, but then I thought, no, look, I'll just transfer it across. So really happy now. I've got two 45-litre tanks. So that with another 20-litre jerry can, for example, I've got quite a good range. So yeah, and this is just, as I said, is a bit of a hack, just so I'm not drilling any more holes anywhere, and I'll figure out what I'll do later on. I've been running it for about 5 minutes, and it's already gone from the halfway mark up to that position you see there. So it's actually not too bad. Right, I suppose I better clean the mess up now. Thanks for watching.